How to download video from Telegram private channel to gallery. In order to do so, you may follow up this method. So open up Telegram, and once you open up Telegram, all you gotta do is locate up the private channel that you are trying to download the video from. If you can't find it, you may use the search bar at the top right corner and join your channel. Once you have joined the channel, what you can do is you may head over to the channel, the private channel, and then from there you may go ahead and locate up the video that you would like to download, like this. So once you've entered up the channel, in order to download the video, all you gotta do is simply tap on the download button from the video, like this. And once the video is downloaded in the channel, what you can do is tap on the three dot at the top right of the video. And there you should be finding an option called Save to Gallery. All you gotta do is simply tap on that option, like this, and that video will be downloaded onto your device. So that's it for now. That is very easy. You can follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.